Alright guys, making this little video. I got a sensor here. This is a MAF sensor. This is original from a dealer. The part number right there, you guys can see. So the code P0171 keeps coming for this guy. So what we're doing here is he changed the sensor once. Also changed the oxygen sensor because just keeps saying bank one lean, and it will go back and forth. So if you guys got a problem with the MAF sensor, P0171 code, and you change the sensor and light came back on, the issue here is either those aftermarket MAF sensors are no good usually, or you gotta put an original sensor, or it could be the ECM that needs updating on the software. It could be a possibility, but what we got here is, I don't want to touch the sensor itself. I want to grab it from the bottom. So this is the sensor here. It has a seal all around it. So we're gonna leave this baby sitting right here. So we're gonna focus on removing this little guy. So we're gonna come a little bit closer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this little guy. And I got videos on it. This is just we're just talking about the light just keeps coming, you know. So there's two bolts on this. They're 7mm. So I want to take my extension off here. Don't need extension here. So I want to go to the back one first, and I loosened up the front one first. So I'm gonna get the back one first. So I got a full video on how to do this up close and personal, because you guys can't see this one, you know. So one thing you want to do is make sure you put in a good sensor. Don't put aftermarket sensor. Like I had bad sensors, you know, in the past. The car won't even start, or the lean would just come on. So this is the little bolt. Don't drop it. So now we can loosen up this top one right here. And so that's what you guys are gonna do. If you guys got a problem with this sensor, you changed it and the light came back on, okay? And I'm gonna remove this bolt here as well. Don't lose the bolts. Anyways, this sensor comes right off. This is what the sensor look like. This is the old sensor. This is aftermarket Napa sensor. I'm gonna put this to this. Okay, all right, bye. We're gonna take this new sensor, and remember, you can't go wrong. Okay, you can put this the wrong way, but it might not fit. But remember, our connector was here, so we're gonna put it the same way. You're just gonna take this lightly. No cleaning, nothing required it because it's a brand new sensor. So we're gonna put one of the bolts in there. After that, we're gonna reset the light, and it's good to go. If the light come back for any reason, it could be a possibility that your ECM needs updating. Software needs to be updated. So there you have it. Okay, so a lot of people come outside putting the second bolt. Just take your time, guys. There's no rush. There's no rush here. Okay, there you go. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna lock up these bolts, both of these bolts. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna tighten this first. Go easy and don't tighten it all the way, even though I said tighten this first. So snug them evenly. Okay, this one needs to go all the way in. One. Now we can just lock them up. Remember, they're into plastic, so you don't want to overdo anything. And then you're looking around because you just stripped it or destroy the housing. Go slow and easy. Bada bing, bada boom. And make sure your connector, if you forget how the sensor works, you can always pay attention to this connector tab here. Click it right in. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done, guys. So do that if you guys have that issue. If you guys keep getting the light, put in an original sensor. It's worth it. And then reset the light. If it comes back for any reason, you might want to check the output of the sensor, check all your fuses, but most likely it's your sensor or your oxygen sensor or the ECM. Thank you for watching.